How to replace the display panel assembly or top cover. Before you begin, remove the SIM tray, base enclosure, battery, wireless WAN module, audio board, fan, USB board, and motherboard. Removal. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open it approximately 270 degrees so that the keyboard is lying flat on your work surface. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel, touchscreen, and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and adhesive on the top cover. Remove the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Slide the display panel hinges out from underneath the lip on the rear edge of the top cover and remove. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.